All right. So now I want to ask some accounting questions.
Okay.
Let's just start off. I make just a ton of mistakes when I'm doing this stuff, and that's why I always try to rely on somebody else. Are there, being the voice of the customer and taking all that input, are there kind of common mistakes that you see small businesses making when they're managing or trying to manage their accounting?
Yeah, there sure are. I guess the first one, the overarching one, would be expectations. Moving to any new system isn't going to happen overnight. And in some cases, sure, you could start using Microsoft Word and write a document and make it look legit and come up with something good that you can print and looks really good in a day, not even a day. But with accounting, it's like you're talking about all kinds of different lists, customers, vendors, this nasty thing called a chart of accounts, your items. If you sell time, you've got activities, God forbid we talk payroll. So there's so much data that comes together. And people's expectations are, well, if I can't get this going this afternoon, then I can't do accounting. It's like, well, I can't fix a carburetor, but I can certainly drive a car. I mean, I know enough to get in and put the pedal down a little bit. So I guess the first one would be expectations. And if you start going beyond that, it really comes down to, kind of what reports do you need? So then you work backwards. Obviously you need financial statements. And of course, every accounting system is going to give you those. And keeping it clean. So some of the other mistakes I've seen are folks never reconciling their checkbook, just never really. I call it like the Zamboni because I'm a hockey guy. You go to the hockey game in between periods, Flyers left blood on the ice somewhere. The Zamboni comes around, it all goes away. That's kind of what reconciling your checkbook is. It fixes all your mistakes. It lets you know what you've missed. Because at the end of the day, most of our customers, most small businesses start off with their bank, their old school bank ledger, their manual check, literally their manual checkbook. And, I tell people, you don't have to know accounting. In fact, we don't even try to teach you accounting, although we do. But if you could get a handle on your cash, and then you work out from there. So people seem to run away from accounting.